Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to iFactioners. Learn Urdu idioms and proverbs, meaning and usage in English. Let's start our lesson and learn the meaning of few important Urdu proverbs and idioms. The first idiom is जिस हांडी में खाना उसमें छेद करना. It means to hurt someone or something which is benefiting us. Handi is a ball. May means in. Khana, eat. Us, that. May, in. Ched means to put a hole in it. Karna, do. So if you literally see, then it means to drill a hole in a bowl in which we eat. So if you drill a hole in a bowl from which you eat, then there is a problem. It means that you are hurting a person or you are destroying a thing from which you are benefiting. The next idiom is जिसका खाओ उसका गाओ. It means appreciate the one who is beneficial. Let's translate this idiom. जिसका खाओ उसका गाओ. जिसका means the one, whose. खाओ, eat. उसका, his or her. का गाओ, sing. It means that you should sing about the person from whom you eat, which means appreciate the one who is beneficial to us. जिसका खाओ उसका गाओ. Another idiom is जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस. It means a man with might gets his way, or might is right. If we try to translate this idiom, then जिसकी लाठी means whose, जिसकी whose, लाठी stick, उसकी his, भैंस cow means the one who has the stick owns the cow. A man with might gets his way. A powerful man gets his way. He owns the things. The next idiom is जितना गुड़ डालोगे उतना ही मीठा होगा. It means the more you spend, the better. Here, जितना गुड़ डालोगे means the more, how much sugar you put. जितना गुड़ is a form of a sugar, and jitna means how. डालोगे, put in. Utna, that much. Meetha, sweet. Hoga, will happen. It means that it depends how much sugar. The more sugar you put in, the more it becomes sweet. So if for example, if I put sugar in something, the more sugar in it, the sweeter it is. And it means the more you spend, the better it is. The next tutorial is जितने मुंह उतनी बातें. It means people use to talk. If we try to translate it in English, then jitne muh means how many, jitne how many. Muh means mouth. Utni, that much. Batein means talk. It means how, if there are many mouths, then there are many talks, which means people used to talk. So don't worry about the people. Jitne muh utni baatein. The next idiom is jitni चादर देखो उतने ही पाँव फैलाओ. It means spend according to your status. Jitni चादर, how much sheet, देखो see. उतने ही, that much. पाँव, feet. फैलाओ, spread. It means that if the sheet is smaller, then you should spread your feet according to the length of the sheet. If it's smaller, then don't spread that much, which means don't spend too much. If you have less money, then you should spend less. Spend according to your status. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. If you have any questions or comments, then please use the comment section below. If you have liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family members. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel. I am Factioner, and I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.
Like, share, subscribe. Factioner.